That's it, no exchange, no company in the middle, just you buying crypto straight from another person. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to do exactly that, privately, for a fair price, and without getting scammed. Let's go. Here's the good news. You don't need an exchange, and you don't need to be technical. Peer-to-peer just means buying from a real person instead of a company. To do it safely, you need 3 things: a trusted marketplace that protects your money, a safe way to pay, and your own wallet to receive the crypto. Set those up and you're ready. Let's take them in order. Quick heads up. There's one word that decides whether a peer-to-peer trade is safe or a disaster: escrow. Get it wrong and you can send money to a stranger and receive nothing. Get it right and the crypto is locked and waiting before a penny of yours moves. Most beginners have never heard of it. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to use it. Step 1. Pick where you'll trade. A peer-to-peer marketplace connects you with real sellers and, this is the key part, holds the crypto in escrow while you pay. Ignore the hype and look for 4 things. It locks the crypto in escrow. It shows each seller's rating and trade history. It has a dispute team if something goes wrong, and it's clear about fees. Then pick a seller with a high rating and lots of completed trades, not the shiny new account offering a deal that's too good to be true. Step 2. Create your account and verify it. Most reputable P2P platforms still check you're a real person. An email and password, a photo of your ID, usually a quick selfie. It feels like a lot, but it's completely normal. It's the law, and it's what keeps scammers out. While you're here, do 2 things that protect you for good. Use a strong, unique password and switch on 2-factor authentication with an app, not text messages. Step 3. Choose your offer. You'll see a list, and 2 offers can look almost identical on price. The tiebreaker is trust and how you pay. Pick a seller who's verified, highly rated, and has lots of completed trades, and stick to a traceable payment method like a bank transfer. Be very wary of a brand new account with the cheapest price who only takes gift cards. That's a classic setup you can't undo. A slightly higher price from someone trustworthy is the cheapest thing you'll ever buy. Now, the trade itself. When you open it, watch what happens. The seller's crypto is locked in escrow. The platform is holding it, so the seller can't run off with it. Now you send your payment by the agreed method, and you keep the receipt. Crucially, never pay outside the platform and never release early. Once the seller confirms your money arrived, the escrow releases the crypto straight into your wallet. That's it, safe on both sides. Before we go further, 30 seconds that can save you everything. 1. Never pay outside the platform. If a seller asks you to go direct to save on fees, that's them trying to remove your escrow protection. Walk away. 2. Never release the crypto or mark a payment as sent until the money has genuinely left your account. Fake payment screenshots are a whole industry. And 3. Avoid gift cards, vouchers, or cash in the post. Anything you can't reverse. Stick to traceable payments and you'll be fine. Before we go further, 30 seconds that can save you everything. 1. Never pay outside the platform. If a seller asks you to go direct to save on fees, that's them trying to remove your escrow protection. Walk away. 2. Never release the crypto or mark a payment as sent until the money has genuinely left your account. Fake payment screenshots are a whole industry. And 3. Avoid gift cards, vouchers, or cash in the post. Anything you can't reverse. Stick to traceable payments and you'll be fine. So that's the whole journey. Choose a marketplace with built-in escrow. Verify your account and lock it down with a strong password and 2-factor. Make the trade. Pay by a traceable method. Keep your proof and let escrow do its job. Then move your crypto off the platform into a wallet only you control. Escrow protected, trusted seller, traceable payment, your own keys. That's peer-to-peer done properly. So you've bought crypto peer-to-peer. Safely. Nice work. There's one more thing you need to get right. Where you actually keep it. A hot wallet or a cold wallet. They're very different, and choosing the wrong one can cost you. That's exactly what the next video covers. How to choose between a hot and cold wallet. And it's on screen now. Give it a tap. If this saved you a headache, I post a new plain English crypto how-to every single week. You'll find me on X, Patreon, and Pinterest, all at Coupon Crypto. Come say hi. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It genuinely helps, and it means the next how-to lands right in your feed. See you in the next one.